Hey guys, it's me Sophie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to curl your hair with a straightener. Now it is currently a school morning and I'm kind of in a rush. So I'm just going to be showing you how I do it very realistically and how to do it. So I did just get my hair cut last week into like long layers and then like I got some like front bangs and this is it. I haven't washed it since like 3 days ago. So first I like to start off with brushing my hair just with a brush. And my straightener is already plugged in and it's getting heated right now. So that's good. The straightener I have is a cheap one, but it's like really old, so I don't think you're gonna be able to find it anywhere anymore. Okay, so I like to just brush my hair out nice and easy. Then what I like to do is get a claw clip. My hair is really thick, so I use one of these big ones and grab right on top of my ear right here and pretend like I'm doing like a half ponytail like this kind of. And then what I do is I either put it into a bun, twist it, put it in a claw clip, like one of those. So I like to just claw clip it up there just to get it out of my way because I like doing sections in my hair. So now I'm just going to go ahead and grab the same brush that I had before and just brush through this bottom section. Make sure there's no tangles. Next, I like to go in with some heat protectant. I don't spray my whole head right now with heat protectant, but I just spray it part by part. So let's shake some of this and go ahead and spray it. Also, I'm using the Garnier Fruit, I don't know how to pronounce this, but the Sleek and Shine 10-in-1, and I got it from Walmart, and it's very like affordable, so I would recommend. I like to just go back through my hair and kind of comb that out. So now I'm going to begin with the curling process. So I like to split my hair right at the back and make it like two pigtails like this and just put it in the front. And then I like to tie one side with a little scrunchie or hair tie or whatever. So now I'm going to do this side of my head first. This is my left side. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a front like part section right here. You can do a lot of hair or a little hair, but I wouldn't recommend doing too much hair. I know that was a whole lot of words. So this is my first piece of hair. We're gonna ignore this little thing because I just have like baby hairs everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and put my piece of hair just going straight out like this. We're gonna grab my straightener, and I'm right-handed, so this is how it goes. So I'm gonna put my straightener through here. I like to do, since I'm used to it now, before I had like in Sharpie, I just put like front, and so in the front it would be like, this is the front. So I'm just gonna clasp onto like somewhere in the middle, and I'm gonna turn the front backwards, and then I'm gonna keep turning until the front appears back in the front, and then I'm slowly gonna go out and then kind of just twist it back down, and then you get like a beautiful little bouncy curl. So I'm gonna do that again on this side. So I grab a piece of hair and then I put it straight out. This is the front, pretend it says front on it. I'm just gonna put it in the middle, and then the front is gonna turn away from your face, and then until the front comes back around. When it does come back around, you're gonna go ahead and slowly push out and then kind of curl out of it like so. Okay, so I'm gonna do it one more time on my left side, and then I'm gonna finish my left side and then show you my right side. So you're gonna put it in the middle, and the front is right there. You're gonna face the front and put it like away from your face until it comes back towards the mirror or your face, and then you're gonna slowly go out and then kind of curl out of it. So I don't like touching my hair while it's hot, and this is a good way to not touch your hair while it's hot, so that's why I do it like this. I'm gonna quickly finish my left side and then I'll show you I have my right side. Okay, so what I like to do is grab this scrunchie and kind of tie this side that I finished up, because I don't like mixing up my already curled hair and then my not curled hair yet. So I'm gonna quickly brush this out, even though I just brushed it 100 times. This is my right side now, and I'm gonna grab a small piece from here. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna put, some people will say that this side is harder if they're right-handed, but for me this side is much easier. So I'm gonna put my hair straight in a line right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the middle. This is the front, okay? The front is gonna turn away from your face, and then until it comes back to the front, you're gonna go out and then slowly curl into it. So it's the same exact thing, but on the other side basically. So let's do it again. So I have a piece of hair, it's gonna go straight out. I'm gonna put this in the middle. This is the front of my straightener. You can write like front on it or put something. I'm gonna turn away from the mirror, and then once it facing it back towards the mirror, it's gonna go out like this, and then you're gonna slowly curl down like that. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time on the right side, and then I'm gonna speed up me doing my second part. I'll show you how I do that second part, and then I'll speed it up. So you grab your strand. This is the front of your straightener. It's gonna turn away from your face and from the mirror, and then when it comes back around, that's when you put it out, and then you slowly curl into it. Okay, so once I've finished curling the entire bottom, oh my god, my voice. Once I finish curling the entire bottom, I like to grab the same scrunchie and just tie it all back in a mini ponytail in the back. And then I'm gonna take out this clip. And I have a lot of hair, so you might not have to do as many parts. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it like right where my eyebrows meet. I'm gonna go up in a V kind of. And this is gonna be like my second parts, I guess I call it. And then I'm either gonna put it into a little, just put it up, get it out of the way, basically. I like to use a claw clip. And then we're gonna do the same thing that I did before. We're gonna go ahead and brush it out on both sides, and then grab a mini scrunchie or another hair tie, and then tie it here, and then spray some of my heat protectant. Doing this only takes me about 10 minutes in the morning, so that's why I really like it, and I have really thick hair, so this is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys really quick, like one on this side and then one on the other side. Okay, so you're going to put this straight. This is the front. It's going to go towards like kind of in the middle. It's going to go away from your face in the mirror. And then now it's on this side. You're gonna keep going until it reaches the same front side. And then you're gonna go out and then kind of twist slowly, just like that. So I'm gonna speed this part up and then show you this side and then speed it up. So I'm gonna quickly stop here. I like to grab the back ponytail that already has all the curled hair and put it into this, like put all this hair that I just curled into it. So I know that that much is done, and then I like to take this out, and this is the new set of hair. Okay, so first I'm gonna grab a small piece. I'm just gonna keep on showing you how I do it. So grab a small piece or a big piece, doesn't matter. Put it straight out. This is the front. You can put like a logo on it, like I said. It's gonna turn away from your face and the mirror. And you keep turning just one rotation until it ends up back in the front facing the mirror. And you're gonna go out and then slowly just go like that. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna take this ponytail out and connect all of these together. And then now it's time for the last part. So in the front, I like to start not in the front, but I like to start like in the back of the front. That made no sense, but I like to start here instead of here. My voice is literally so bad right now. Okay, so first I'm gonna grab a piece. It's the same exact thing. I'm gonna grab a piece from the part where I wanna go. I'm just gonna go straight out. I'm gonna grab it the front right here and put it in the middle. It's gonna face away from my face and then turn all the way back around. And then I'm gonna go out and then kind of just curl down. So I didn't really learn this anyway. I just started like doing it. I was trying to find that away because I think this is much faster than the curler in my opinion. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm at the front. Literally I only did 3 curls here, and then here's the front. I like to save the least for like last. So the front is right here. We're gonna first, it's the same. Oh my god, I broke. Okay, it's the same thing. I'm gonna put it straight out. This one, instead of it going in the middle, it's gonna go a little bit closer. And this is still the front. It's gonna face away from my face in the mirror. And then it's gonna slowly like pull in closer next to my head. I'm gonna go out like this and then curl down. It's the same thing. So I tried doing this whenever I didn't have my hair layered and it did not work. So just know that you need to have layers if you want to have the effect of the curl twisting out. So once I let all my hair down, I like to make sure like I like how it looks and it doesn't just look super weird. And I sometimes recurl pieces if I need to and stuff like that. So same thing on the right side. You put it straight out. You're gonna put this in the middle. This is the front. It's gonna face away from your face in the mirror. Come back around in one rotation and then you go out slowly and then curl it. I've gotten so used to this technique that it literally doesn't take me super long to curl my hair anymore, and in a good way because I really like this. I've always been searching up videos like how to curl your hair with a straightener and stuff because I always thought it was cool how that could work. It's literally a straightener. And then I just started trying to do it by myself and I figured something out. Okay, so for this side, it's much easier than this side, in my opinion. It's gonna go straight out. Instead of directly in the middle, it's gonna go a little bit more in. Twist away from the face in one rotation, and then once it comes back around, and just slowly pull out. Make sure you don't burn like your scalp because that would not be good. Okay, that did not work out well at all, so I'm about to redo that one. So if it doesn't work like that, that means I started too close to my face and the curl didn't want to curl. Okay, so right now it doesn't look like how it should. I'm about to take out all of my hair, and now it's all curled. I'm gonna do some like random situation with it and it just bounce around. My straightener is literally dying because it's really old. Like it keeps on turning on and then off and then on. Like right now it's on and it's not on. Okay, so I just messed around with it a little bit and this is already how it looks and I already love it. If I don't want to brush it out with my fingers, I like to go in with this tooth comb. I think that's what they're called, and I like to just slowly, I think these are more waves than curls and I like them like this. But yeah, if you want more curl, I think you have to have more heat, but my straightener, you can't even choose the heat you want. It's really old. So I'm just gonna go back in and curl some pieces that I think I just want to recurl kind of. And you can use hairspray if you want. I have never used hairspray on my curled hair unless it was for a dance performance, so that's totally up to you. But this is what the finished hair kind of looks like. Really like the volume it gives. It's actually really cute. And as I told you, I am getting ready for school, so I'm still like in the middle of getting ready. Okay, so this is the finished look I guess I'm going with for the day. I think it's really cute. If you think it's cute, make sure you try this out one time. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it very helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Bye y'all.